Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your chef from guruscooking.in with
Chana Chaat this summertime. To make this chaat, you will need 1 cup of Kabuli chana which has been soaked in enough water for at least 8 hours. After 8 hours, your chana will look something like this. We will now discard and throw away this water. The chana you will add to a pressure cooker along with 2 glasses of water and a quarter teaspoon of salt to taste. Cooking at a medium flame, you will wait for 8 whistles. After 8 whistles, you will put off the flame and wait for 15 minutes for the steam to escape. Once the steam has escaped, you will find there is water in this. You will throw away this water and just secure the chana. Right now the chana is very warm, so leave it in open like this for 15 minutes. Let it cool down. After that, we'll add these amazing veggies that we have. 2 tomatoes that have been finely chopped. Drop them onto this boiled chana. Chana in English is also called chickpea. I also have 1 potato that has been boiled, green chilies finely chopped, red onions I've taken 2 which have been chopped again, and also fresh coriander leaves will offer you an amazing aroma and delicious taste. A teaspoon of red chili flakes, a teaspoon of salt to taste, a teaspoon of chaat masala for that amazing tanginess, and a quarter teaspoon of garam masala. We'll crush some fresh black salt onto this, and I have with me some fresh tamarind extract. This is also called tamarind juice. I'm adding 5 teaspoons of this. We'll squeeze in a quarter, just a little bit of lemon juice at the top. Delicious. Now just shake it to make it, baby. And this wonderful, delicious chickpea chana chaat is ready for you to consume, all made without any fat content, protein, carbohydrates, and a lot of vegetables. And yes, delicious to relish. So ladies and gentlemen, do make this and comment about how you enjoyed this all your summer, and I'm gonna post a lot of other salad recipes for you soon. Also enjoy my new Hindi channel called Aapki Rasoi on YouTube. I'm gonna post more recipes on salads on my Hindi channel Aapki Rasoi and some travel vlogging on Guru Musafir, which is my latest channel. Do subscribe to it. Thank you.